Welcome to Marston's Motors. Today I have got a doozy of an adventure for you. I had a lot of fun with a buddy getting this thing running and started and driving, sorta. This is my 1985 Nissan 720 4x4 pickup with a 5-speed, and I love it. It's a king cab and it needs a lot of work, but I am the perfect man for the job. So I hope you guys enjoy me getting this thing home and picking it up and getting it for free, baby. I hope you guys enjoy the adventure that I went on for free entertainment. So I'll let you guys get into that. Oh, pretty bad. That's all right. Holy shit in there. Hornet's nests and all. Little free vice grips. Bumper's rusted out. Tires are probably dry. Oh, not too bad.
How's the frame looking?
A little bit of surface rust. Nothing terrible.
Yeah.
King cab. Blue door. Fenders all torn up.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Vinyls in there too. There you go.
There's some mouse crap in there.
Custom speakers, doors, whatever the hell. But that's the same headliner in the Trans Am. 5-speed, baby.
Oh yeah, clutch is gone.
Is it really?
There's nothing there.
Wow. It's got oil in
There's
it.
oil in it. So.
Carbureted though. I don't like carburetors.
Tires are still in there.
Oh man.
Clutch should be take on this, though, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh, the keys are in it.
Keys are in it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
There you go.
If it starts, you want it?
Sure.
You don't have to take it. You can just leave right now.
5-speed? I don't know what you think. Sheesh. I have brakeman at home.
Does the fuel gauge read at all?
Yes, not really because it says empty. Who knows if that could be it or not. Bro, if I mob this thing home, could you imagine? Bro, this thing is nasty. Oh, fuck.
We could always take that gas can and,
That's true too.
you know, fill it up and drip some down in the...
Honestly, I wouldn't mind doing that. Do you have anything else to do today?
No.
You don't have anything better to do?
No.
Guys?
No, dude, I'm cool with it.
Well, we could go get some gas.
Think we should?
Sure.
You still want it?
I think so. I don't know.
If it runs, though, dude.
I'll mob it right out of here, and I'll just roll the gears home.
Yeah. Just run and grab from fuel.
Heard that.
Might start on fire since I'm smoking a
I was
cigar.
gonna say, you better step back.
Yeah, I'll let you buy. We'll be good.
I'll let you get blown out of the hood. Alright, let's see. A little bit of gas in there.
Sounds like a fuel pump or something.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, well, I'm gonna dribble this Marston.
Okay. Damn.
Okay.
Let's go. Is he gonna move?
It's even running. Alright.
Bro, what?
Idle's a little rough, but it has
Oh yeah. Holy shit. Oh,
That's awesome, dude.
Holy shit. Didn't like that.
No, it didn't.
What is that? Did I just spin a rod bearing?
Huh?
Did I just spin a rod bearing?
No, I don't know what it is. Give it a little bit. It levels out, and it could be maybe throw out one bearing in there with you. I don't know. Of course, it doesn't. The clutch doesn't engage at all, does it?
I was gonna say no, it's not doing anything. Well, damn, son. Got a run in, a little bit of gas in the tank, completely dry. Fuel pump started priming. What do you think? Should I try and drive it?
Yeah, dude. I don't see why not. You throw her in 4 and fucking rip it
I was
out
gonna
of
say I might do that.
Look at that. Two-wheel drive even. Nice. You want her still, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I do. Unfortunately,
250 or what? Should we try to get 150?
I'll be fine with 200 or 250, whichever one it wants.
How's it going? So are you're pretty set on 250 for that one?
Why?
Oh, we're just curious. It needs a clutch for sure. I mean, of course, we knew it's gonna need work, but
Yeah.
It's stuck in gear.
it's just But
Is that what was wrong with it? Yeah, I knew it was transmission.
yeah, something with
I didn't know the specifics.
but we got it moved out of there. It's just it's in first, so you can't really stop. You just got to shut it off.
Yeah,
Oh, it runs?
Yeah, it drove out of there.
yeah. We had to fill it up with some gas and put a battery in it.
I mean, it's it's shaking and whatever.
It's
but
unhappy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Was there anything in the back that needed?
There was
kept?
some stuff. I mean, you come look though. I don't want to.
I don't care.
Well, are you pretty set on 250?
I don't care. You guys can just take it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, we don't want
I
to
have
take it for.
I have to do all the title stuff.
Well, we don't want to take it for nothing. We're gonna at least get you something
Yeah.
out of it.
You got me a plowed driveway. That's worth $250 to me.
Okay. Well, if
All
you're
right.
fine with that,
Yeah.
I was working. I was getting paid while I was over here fucking getting cars. So we did plow this driveway on company time, but I don't give a shit. We had time.
Jeez.
If you go mobbing the mountains and jump it, let me know.
Fuck yeah. I'll give you some on return on investment.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, if you sell it for a good price, I'll take $100. If not, but I'll follow you and everything. Make sure we make it to where we need to go.
I heard that. Holy dude. For free? For except this ain't a Ferrari. Oh boy. Alrighty. Let's hit the road, pal. Tires are all good. Alrighty. First drive in the new whip. Ugh, I feel disgusting sitting in here. Shit is rotten. Alright, in first. Heads up. Hold on. We are moving, baby. Heading out on the open road, baby. Golly, this steering is completely loose. Alright, shift to second. Right in, baby! Woo-hoo-hoo! Holy smokes, dude. The speedo works. Tag works. Golly, everything is rattling loose. Fuel gauge works. Don't think there's any coolant in it. Tack works. I mean, we're cruising, baby. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what year it is. Just look at all this shit. Holy smokes, dude. Oh, we got ourselves some competition. Go, yeah. Look at that Baja little truck. And then look at the real truck behind us. Big old 13. Shout out to Bridger. thank you so much for helping me and getting this sucker on the road, getting the steal deal of a lifetime. I mean, come on. This is even better than the $100 dirt bike. I mean, shit. To be honest with you, man, it's in pretty rough condition. The dash is cracked right there. That's pretty much it for the dash. Oh, right there, I guess. But everything else is actually in not that bad a shape. I mean, the clutch probably just needs to be hooked up. The fan works, so I mean, I can blow hot air if it has hot air. I'll definitely need some coolant here soon. Oh, the temp gauge works. Holy f***. Blinkers! Oh my goodness! Should we float it to third? Third feels totally good. Oh my gosh, oil pressure works, volts work. Bro, what? 205,000 miles. My goodness, everything works on this thing. And the brakes work good. What are we doing, dude? Thing's pretty nasty though, I'll tell you that much. My parents don't know that I have this, that I just bought this. I got it for free, I mean. Everything works, dude. Parking brake works. What? Except for the clutch. Dude, I could drive this to work on Monday. But I won't, because yeah. I should probably call my girlfriend. She doesn't know. So, unfortunately, that mirror's gonna probably rattle off. We're in neutral right now. We're about to shove it into second. Come on. First, baby. Woohoo! Float it in second. Yeah, baby, I can roll gears. I got my CDL. Easy shmoney! Woohoo! I bought one of my dream trucks. I love these Nissan hard bodies. I don't even know what year this sucker is. Float to fourth. Oh yeah, baby. Alignment's just a hair off. That's all right though. Coolant's up to temp. See if it stays at that temperature. My goodness, my hips hurt from leaning forward so much because I don't want to touch the seat. But I mean, everything, oh, some trim is flopping around back there. That's all right. Woo! I'm having fun. I'm having a lot of fun. Bro, this is easy shmoney, dude. Brother, pulling into the gas station with a new rig. Oh my goodness. Probably won't fill it up all the way. We'll probably just put like, that's good enough. Now we have got some gas in here, oil and coolant. Ready to head out. All right. Just gets up and goes, baby. Want to go. Alrighty, here we are at our first stoplight. Pretty much just gonna jam it into first, or no, we gotta turn it off, put it into first, and then we gotta wait to start it up again. So, hopefully we won't see any cops, because that'll be fun. All right, here we go. Let's go, baby. Come on, second, get in there. There we go. I think we're in third right now. Everything is so sticky in this car because it's been sun-baked and melted and gooed up. I mean, the shifter's nasty. The whole truck is nasty. All right, well, things are going great. We're rolling at 35 miles an hour, coolant staying there. Got half a tank of gas. Oil pressure's good, voltmeter's good. We're doing pretty good. I can't wait to clean it and just detail the crap out of it. What do I do with the topper? Do I fix the glass? Do I sell it? Alrighty. Here we go, first gear. First gear is easy shmoney, baby. A little bit fast. Look, we even beat someone off the line. Holy Alright, we're gonna be turning out this light. Third gear. Bro, this is easy shmoney. Give me my CDL right now, because I deserve it. The steering wheel, that's fun. That's what it sounds. That's what it sounds like. I'm on my way home. Coasting up. Oh, it died. It doesn't want to stay running. Ah! It won't stay running. Well, it'll rev. There it is. It's staying running right now. All right. Will you give me a little push?
Yeah, do you want me to get out or just push with the truck?
You can push with the truck if it's okay with you. Once it's green. All right. Oh my goodness. Hey, let's go. We got her with a little push from the big brother. Oh my goodness. There's just a little bit of incline that it couldn't, the little engine that could not, the little starter that could not push this thing up a hill. I'm floored. I'm not going anywhere. Could you imagine if it dies on the train tracks? I'd just get out, let it hit it, get 50 bucks out of scrap. We almost home. Oh my goodness. What an experience this has been. We got a lot of work to do. A lot of cleaning out to do. Yeah! Bop! Wah, bop, bop, bop. I don't think Second will like this hill. Why don't you like hills, Second? Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh, that sounded so bad. Oh, fucking hey. That's where she's gonna be for now. Coming out here to see it for the first time.
I'm nervous to see this. Watch out for that big head. This is what you fucking wanted? What the f is here?
A lot
Oh my gosh.
shit.
So much junk.
Yep.
Hopefully there's some good in there.
I know, right?
It's okay. A king cab? What's that? Oh my freaking god, you wanted this? You looked at this and said, yep, I want that. What the f? This is gonna be a lot of work, and you have to detail this. I just want to see what what's in here.
I know, right? Don't you?
Kinda do. I have a feeling there's some animals that were living in here.
Oh yes.
Or still
very
are.
much so. Yeah.
And hopefully you didn't bring a freaking mouse here to eat all your other. It's okay. These work good?
I don't know. I haven't tested blinkers work though. Blinkers work, brakes work, brake lights work, horn works, all the gauges work.
What? That's great! Look
I know,
at that.
right?
You got gauges? Tells you how much gas you have in it?
I know, right? It was
That's
completely empty.
Hey, you got a gas can though?
Yeah, that's how we filled it up.
I gotta show my sister this ugly piece of freaking junk.
Well, here she is in the garage. Yeah, she's a dirty girl. I hope you guys enjoyed the adventure that I went on. I had a lot of fun making it, and I had a lot of fun driving this thing, having all the gauges work and everything. And I've been working on it for the past, I don't know, 8 months. And it needed a lot of work, and I've done a lot of work to it. And I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos coming out of all the work I've done to it already and filmed, and I just need to post it. So I've got a lot of stuff already done and a lot of stuff to come. Very exciting things. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Subscribe if you like stuff like this, and if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If not, tell me. Let me know how I did. I hope you guys stay till the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.